Welcome back. I think it's now day 14. Still a little bit more welding today, but I really hope that we get this back of the van as soon as possible welded together. We have still like big pieces to weld in here. We have both of the wheel arches in here and a few little spots on the floor also. But I think after that the interior is welded back together. Of course, in the outside we have more rust, and in the chassis also a little bit more. But yeah, I hope this is a milestone when we get this so-called living space welded back together, and it would be great again. So let's go and get the welder outside and let's go to work. We have a bit soft spots in here, so I don't want to do this quite often, so cut this open from here, and then I can see inside of the little triangle. There's this block was here, but so as you can see, so I need to take this out, clean this part, and then weld this back together. And okay, so I think I'm gonna make a whole new part. I have a 3mm thick steel, and as you can see, there is lots of corrosion in here and there, and inside here it takes the same time to clean up than to make a new one. So I'm making two, one on each side, and yeah, let's replace these as well. Plates are now cut to size, and now I need to know where I'm gonna drill the holes. Okay, so there's the point we're gonna drill, and same on here also. Need to be burn out. Yeah, and remember to use the goggles. I just got one of these metal pieces my nose. So these are ready for welding. Actually, I need to bend this. So I cut a little bit from here, about half way. So now it's easier for me to bend this to 90 degrees angle. It's a lead hammer. Okay. Now I take a coffee break and then continue. Of course I need to cut those corners from here. I just now weld the seams inside, outside, and then we are ready to go. Okay, first thing to do is weld some new nuts in these holes. It will hold, so we can take this off. And the last one, third one. Okay, now we have welded the nuts. We can start welding the angle in here. I'll show you the other side. So here is the nuts. I think I'm gonna spot weld the angle in here, and then let's see how much more steel I need here and here and the other side. Okay, so it's day 15. Last time we managed to weld some new places on this side. Now we are welding this little piece in here. This is the part from here. As you can see, a very rusty piece, so it's easier to just cut it away and replace it with new one. And this is some more little pieces from there, but yeah, let's continue. So little piece of metal in here and then cover it up. Okay, that looks good. So now we can start to weld. Okay, so let's put some hollow section spray. Okay, I think it's enough now. And after I have welded the piece in here, then I can spray it again. Okay. Have the, or don't have, okay, we have the little piece in here, so I think it fits pretty good. Don't have to be perfect because there's gonna be a plastic cover in here, so okay, the new piece of plate is here. It will hold enough, just spot welded it, it's not going anywhere. It's a little little piece in here. This is now welded, and I clean it up a little bit with the grinder, and now we can put more hollow section spray inside here and inside here. And but this surface we can paint, but I think we don't paint it today because it's now about -6 or -7 degrees of Celsius, so the paint won't dry so good. So let's just use this to cover inside here. And now we need to go inside the van to get the spray inside here. Okay, I didn't open up this with the angle grinder down there, but I show you. I drill a hole and we got a little bit dirt from there. Let's put some light. Okay, so I drill a hole in there. It has a draining hole in here, but you know, it clogs. So I drill a hole, I sandblast, and then some paint in here, and some hollow section spray inside the triangle in here. And up there you can see my welding. It starts to rust, but it's not bad. It's just the surface. So a little bit of angle grinder, maybe sandblasting, and then some paint on top of that, and it would be okay. Next thing is to make the arch. So we need to make like a half a circle. Okay, so this is the center, and now we need to draw a round shape from here and to here. Okay, so let's see. I think it's good enough for us. Okay, so the plate is here, and yeah, I think it's good. So let's go in the van and let's try how it fits in there. Okay, let's go. Let's see the shape. Yeah. Day 16. The first arch is now welded on, and yeah, I can weld the small plates on the floor, and then this side is okay, and we're ready to move on the right side of the van.